Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am my Sharaveet and Rob Pallavi. So today we are here to unbox my new member in my content creation gadget family that's going to elevate my YouTube vlogs and Instagram reels. Introducing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Pack. Super popular and perfect for creators like me and others. I have got the full creator pack, but you can also buy just the Pocket 3 on its own. So before this, I used to shoot all my videos on my GoPro from last, I think, almost 3.5 years. But it's time to upgrade for some kick-ass content. Now let's open up these goodies straight from the box. First, we have this Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover, which will keep your device safe when you are on the go. Now you might be wondering why I decided to go for the creator pack instead of just buying the Osmo Pocket 3 alone. Well, the creator packs gives you everything you need in one bundle, including some amazing accessories that are essential for taking your content creation to the next level. Plus, the convenience of having everything in one pack saves you time and money compared to buying each accessory separately. So now if you see this bag, the Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag, which is a perfect way to keep everything organized and protected while traveling, and this only comes with a creator pack. For this creators pack, you basically pay £130 extra where you get these stuff. But if you buy these products separately with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, then it becomes a little expensive versus when you buy a creator combo pack, it is a little cheaper. So with all the calculations while I was doing to make a decision what to buy, like only the Pocket 3 or the creator combo pack, honestly, if you have the budget, I would recommend you go with the creator combo pack because all the other attachments it comes with is needed at some point of time. Let's unpack this. So first we have this windshield, also known as dead cat. It's perfect for reducing unwanted wind noise and environmental sounds when recording outdoors or in windy conditions. This is a must have for creators shooting outside high quality audio video. Wrist strap ensures secure handling of your DJI device, reducing the risk of accidental drops during the use. It's adjustable and comfortable. The tripod offers a sturdy, portable base for hands-free shooting, ideal for time lapses and vlogging. Its compact, foldable design ensures easy setup and stable, professional quality footage. Pocket 3 handle with 1/4 thread provides a secure grip for your device while enabling compatibility with tripods and other accessories, enhance stability during filming. Next, we have the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle. Combines a comfortable grip with extended battery life, keeping your device powered for longer shoots. And it only comes with the creator pack. It also features a built-in 1/4 thread, allowing compatibility with tripods and other accessories for versatile filming options. This is the Pocket 3 protective cover. Next, we have the Osmo Pocket 3 wide angle lens, which is magnetic, making it quick and easy to attach while expanding your field of view for stunning wide angle shots. Perfect for capturing more in every frame with professional clarity. The magnetic design ensures a secure fit, offering convenience. Then we have the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. This little accessory is super handy, allowing you to easily attach your DJI mic to your clothes or any surface with its strong magnetic design. It ensures a secure and stable setup so you don't have to worry about the mic shifting around while you're recording. And finally, we have this compact camera which is packed with amazing features, delivering smooth, professional quality footage and is super portable design. It is like vertical and horizontal and it's perfect for vlogging, traveling, or any on the go shooting with immersive stabilization and high quality. We also have the Type C to Type C PD cable, a must have for fast charging and data transfer between devices. It's durable and designed for high speed performance. And we have the DJI Mic 2 transmitter in shadow black, and the sleek and stylish transmitter basically delivers crisp, clear audio with a compact design. Perfect for content creators who really need high quality sound on the go, but you also have to use the windshield when you are shooting outdoor. The Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for capturing smooth, stable 4K footages in both vertical and horizontal orientations, making it versatile for any type of content. Whether you are shooting vlogs, travel, or creative projects, it delivers stunning high quality video every time. Now let's talk about the whole creator pack. These tools are designed to help you create professional content with ease and convenience. First up, we have the battery handle, which not only gives you a comfortable grip but also extends your shoot time, making it perfect for those long recording sessions. Then the handle with 1/4 thread attaches easily, giving you the flexibility to mount it on tripods or other accessories for even more stable footage. If you are a creator, this is definitely a must have. The DJI Pocket 3 combined with these attachments will level up your content creation game. Stay tuned for my upcoming vlog tomorrow, all shot on DJI Pocket 3 in 4K. From my recent trip to Christmas capital of the world, Strasbourg, France, it was such an amazing experience using this new gadget and the results were just incredible. I hope this helps you if you are looking for your next creator gadget. So don't forget to like the video, share it with your creator friends, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog, all shot on DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Bye.